to American Dream Mansions, the channel where iconic homes meet elite lifestyles and extraordinary architecture comes to life. Today, we are taking you inside a breathtaking ultra-luxury modern mansion that defines power, elegance, and timeless design. From the very first aerial drone day view, this home makes a bold statement with its striking black and gold color palette, clean architectural lines, and an undeniable sense of prestige. As the drone glides over the property, sunlight reflects beautifully off the black marble exterior and golden accents, creating a cinematic presence that immediately sets this mansion apart. The scale of the home, combined with its modern geometry and expansive layout, delivers a true resort-style atmosphere. This is not just a house, this is a lifestyle crafted for those who expect nothing but the best. Approaching the property through the wide private driveway, the grand entrance welcomes you with floor-to-ceiling glass doors framed in gold detailing. Stepping inside, you are greeted by an impressive double-height entrance hall where luxury and sophistication blend seamlessly. The black marble floors with gold inlays, paired with a custom modern chandelier, create an unforgettable first impression. Every detail here is designed to inspire confidence and refinement. Moving forward, the living room opens into a spacious and elegant setting filled with natural light. Plush black seating, gold accent walls, and designer finishes give the space a warm yet powerful ambiance. Large glass windows connect the indoors with the outdoors, allowing the home to feel open, bright, and perfectly balanced. This living area is ideal for hosting guests or simply enjoying quiet moments in absolute comfort. The TV lounge offers a more relaxed yet equally luxurious atmosphere. Featuring a large wall-mounted display, ambient golden lighting, and premium furnishings, this space feels like a private luxury cinema. Whether it's movie nights or entertaining friends, this room delivers the perfect blend of comfort and high-end design. The kitchen is a true masterpiece of modern luxury. Sleek black cabinetry with gold handles, a stunning marble island, and top-of-the-line appliances transform everyday cooking into a five-star experience. The open layout flows effortlessly into the dining area, where a black marble dining table and gold-trimmed chairs create an elegant setting reminiscent of a luxury restaurant. This is where design meets functionality at the highest level. The master bedroom is a private retreat designed for relaxation and sophistication. The black and gold theme continues with soft lighting, textured walls, and a king-size bed that feels straight out of a luxury hotel suite. Large windows offer peaceful views while maintaining privacy, making this bedroom the perfect escape from the outside world. The ensuite bathroom elevates everyday living into a spa-like experience. Black marble surfaces, gold fixtures, a modern soaking tub, and a glass-enclosed shower create an atmosphere of calm and indulgence. This space is thoughtfully designed to offer both luxury and tranquility. Fitness enthusiasts will appreciate the private home gym, equipped with modern machines, mirrored walls, and premium lighting. It's a motivating environment that allows you to maintain a healthy lifestyle without ever leaving home. Nearby, a stylish indoor swing area adds a unique touch, offering a cozy space to relax and unwind. Stepping outside, the mansion truly comes alive. The black-tiled swimming pool reflects golden tones under the sunlight, creating a stunning visual centerpiece. This outdoor space is perfect for hosting unforgettable gatherings or enjoying peaceful moments surrounded by elegance. The seamless connection between indoor and outdoor living completes the luxury experience. This extraordinary mansion represents the ultimate standard of modern luxury living. From design to comfort, every element has been carefully curated to deliver a lifestyle reserved for the elite. If you enjoyed this tour, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for American Dream Mansions. We bring you the most exclusive luxury homes from around the world. Until next time, this is American Dream Mansions, where luxury has no limits.